What's going on, guys? Welcome to this week's vlog. You know what time of year it is? It's like Christmas time, holiday time. That means my sister is back in town, and that means also, kind of like last year, I think, didn't we make stuff last year?
Yeah, we made.
I think we made something last year. Oh, we made Brussels sprouts and something else. I don't know, but we made something else. So go check out that video if you like food videos. But this week, my sister's kind of taking over the vlog. She's going to be making...
We'll be making a slow cooker buffalo chicken chili.
That. So, yeah, she's going to show you guys how to do
Pretty
that.
healthy. Protein.
Screenshot that if you want the recipe. I don't know if you guys can read it. It might be kind of blurry, and it might be backwards. I think it's backwards.
Okay,
whatever. You guys, you can do it. It's
fine,
yeah.
Okay, so as I was saying, pretty simple ingredients. 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Got that here. You need a 15-ounce can of black beans, 15-ounce can of chili beans, 1 packet of ranch dip mix, chicken broth and buffalo sauce, and cream cheese for the end. So I forgot to take out some of the ingredients. Oh, red hot. Oh, and chicken broth. Boom.
I was gonna say it should be in there
Went
somewhere.
shopping in here. Alright. So great, my recipe changed. So the first thing is add beans, buffalo sauce, chicken broth, and ranch dip to the crock pot. So we'll start with the chicken broth. Alright, what'd I say? 4 ounces of chicken broth. Thank God this is in ounces, so I need an ounce measure anyways. So just like science class, remember, what is that called?
Meniscus.
Yeah. You have to get eye level with it to see if you've really done a good job. Oh, and I went over, but there's no meniscus. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's when you're in a beaker and stuff.
Well, it's when you're measuring anything.
Apparently,
So,
according to you.
Chicken broth in 4 ounces. Why does that not seem like enough?
I don't know.
Alright. We need half a cup, 120 grams of buffalo sauce. Which is also 4 ounces, so this ought to be great.
Just unscrew the, I was gonna say unscrew the top, and we'll come out the other way.
Meniscus check.
This is how we ran out of buffalo sauce.
A little extra for some spice and pizzazz. Okay, gross. Buff sauce. You don't want to waste any of the beans, so I'll open those and clean those. So we don't need that extra juice. It doesn't say to rinse them, but I don't. Oh, dang it!
What does it say about putting your beans in soap? Some leftover soap.
Well, just to try to keep them out of the soap and sink at the same time. I painted the 4 I lost. And then you have to check and you see you had a bunch of sludge at the bottom. Covered in beans. That's when I usually rewash them. Try again. Loosen these up. Ask me how I'm going to pour these out, I don't know. Oh, right. No, I'm not.
Lost some more.
So add the beans of the Mexican chili beans. So these I won't rinse because they're in a sauce. Oh my God. I don't think I have it out right. Maybe we could get a new one of these for Christmas. Yeah, I'm just spinning.
Squeeze it more now.
Okay, hold on.
You started it.
Oh, the can is dented. That's really messing it up. And hold it for all these we have. Don't know what these are actually going to taste like.
There's not even beans in it. It's just soup.
There, the beans. Don't know what these are going to be like, but there we go.
They
smell like tacos. Nate,
do they?
Let's get your opinion.
Yeah, it smells like chili and tacos.
Yeah, perfect. So I think the last step is to add the ranch dressing. Add the beans, buffalo sauce, chicken broth, and ranch dip to the crock pot and stir until evenly melted. So ranch, this is just the ranch dip. Hidden Value has to sponsor me so I can start making more things with your products. Here we go. Ta-da. And then we're going to mix all that together.
All the buffalo. Looks like you added powdered sugar to something that shouldn't have powdered sugar in it.
Yeah, I did. Hidden Valley Ranch's new powdered sugar mix.
Smells good.
And it tastes good too. You're gonna add the chicken breast to the crock pot. It's gonna sit on low for 7 to 8 hours.
Yikes.
So, or high.
When we get back at like 10 tonight, we'll have to check on
chicken
it
breast in.
after this.
Exactly. 2. Probably should have these covered, I feel like. Oh, and I just stuck my hands in the whole thing. So, there we go. So I'm going to cover it because I don't want the chicken to burn. Doesn't look like a lot, then you'll shred the chicken. So we'll put that, what did it say? High?
I think it said low. Oh, yeah, low for like 7 hours.
Yeah. Alright, so low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Then you're going to turn the crock pot off, shred the chicken, then you add the cream cheese, which we didn't take out. You don't need that yet. So we're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours, which will get us done at like 6 or 7. So that's it. Looks weird.
Can't even look like this. Doesn't even look like there's chicken.
No, it doesn't. Okay, here we go. Plug it in. High.
Hey Google, set a timer for 3 hours.
Okay, 3 hours. And that's starting now.
So it's been 3.5 hours, so I decided to check on the chicken, and now we're shredding it, so... Mama's doing really good, and I don't know how to do it. You know? We want fine little pieces. Okay, so then I put this back in. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Yep, I made a mess. Okay, so as you can see, I've shredded all 3 chicken breasts. I had a hand cramp.
but actually.
Now, so I'm gonna a little more juice in this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 8 ounces potentially, whatever, this package of cream cheese. I'm gonna just dump it in, and this is crock-pot's off now, but it's still hot enough that this cream cheese will melt. Oh, awesome.
Dang. Pleasant.
Yeah, and oh, more cream cheese.
So that's the final product. We mixed it for a couple more minutes. It looks really good. It also looks really yellow on the camera, but it's pinkish because it's buffalo. Okay, here. I'll try some. I'll try to get a bean and a piece of chicken. Oh, this is gonna burn my face off.
Was it that hot?
Oh, it's steaming like crazy. Okay, here's to hoping I don't burn my face off.
Yes.
And it's a large piece because someone who's behind the camera right now shredded it, and yeah, you know. Oh, that's actually really, oh, it's nice and spicy.
Is it? Are you being honest? Because you can give an honest critique.
No, it's buffalo-y.
It is?
Oh, that's actually wicked good.
Okay.
That's good. A+. Yeah, so that was this week's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely try to make this recipe. I can put the full recipe in the comments if you guys want, or down in the description. One of the two. But this was all Victoria's idea and all her recipe, and it's actually wicked good. You guys should try it. If you guys like buffalo chicken stuff, it's like chili and it's super good.
Yeah, and then the recipe will have like the macronutrients spelled out. So we use like regular fat cream cheese, so it's a little bit different. But for the low fat one, the recipe will tell you exactly the macronutrients, proteins, carbs, and fats in it. And then its serving size is 1 cup. But it's low enough in everything that you can have like 2 servings. So it's pretty good.
Super good.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. We're almost at 50 subs. That's unbelievable. So thank you guys.
Let's get to 100 and I'll do another video.
Oh, that's a lot. 100, you heard it here first. 100 subs and she'll do a video. This one was totally hosted by her, so thanks a bunch. And see you guys next time. Peace.